今日我哋喺呢個Expo KLCC 有呢個 franchise 嘅 Expo 啊，所以有好多嘅company 啦，佢哋 looking for 呢一個franchise 嘅 business。我想澄清一下嗰個myth 啊，即係嗰個誤解啦。好多老闆啊，佢哋將呢一個 insurance premium 啊，佢當係一個 expenses。佢講如果冇事發生啊，咁我如果冇 claim 啦，呢個錢係我白白俾嘅。但係事實上啦，呢個 insurance 啊就好似你嘅 renter 啊，你嘅水電費啊，你嘅嗰啲人工啊係一樣嘅，因為係咪？當我哋願意俾嗰個 rent 因為我哋需要地方去做生意嘛。當我哋需要俾 salary 係咪？因為我需要人去做嗰個 business 嘛。咁我用 insurance premium 啊，亦都係 make sure 啊嗰個 business 啊係一個 incident 或者一個風險發生嘅時候，咪佢依然可以繼續咁樣去 run 佢嘅 business。咁樣我有好多老闆係好中意做投資嘅，佢好中意係咪 explore 佢嘅 business 啊、marketing 啊，同埋佢嘅 upgrade 佢嘅 equipment 嘅。但係咧，往往咧佢就忽略咗呢一個 insurance 嘅重要性。咁我當一個 fire 啊、lawsuit 啊、accident 啊，甚至乎佢整到佢嘅 business 需要 temporary stop 啦，咁樣佢辛辛苦苦儲翻嚟嘅 business 嘅嗰啲 growth 啊，就會好嚴重咁樣去影響到。所以咧，我覺得啦 ，insurance 啊，佢唔係一個 normal 嘅 expenses， 佢應該係一個 cost of insurance。當一個企業最大嘅風險啦，佢唔需要去俾個保費，佢係最大嘅風險啦，係佢根本唔需要啦，有足夠嘅錢嚟俾個保障。
等我自我介紹一下啦，我嘅名係 Jeffrey He， 我係 from Starbright Solution Agency， 所以我喺呢一個 insurance industry more than 20 years。如果你問我點解係Berjaya Sompo咧，因為Berjaya Sompo佢哋有一個非常之 effective 同埋 efficient 嘅 team。
所以每一個 businessman 係咪佢都會用好多嘅時間啊、精力啊，或者係佢嘅資源啊，去 make sure 佢嘅 business 係可以 successful 嘅。如果唔係嘅話咧，佢都唔會去開 business 啦，佢都去打工就算啦，係咪？但係咧，往往呢個風險係咪佢係會發生喺我哋最意想不到嘅時間嘅。所以無論係 fire 啊、lawsuit 啊、嗰個 cyber attack 啊，或者意外啊，或者係嗰啲 key 嘅 employee 佢哋失去咗 ability to work 啦，咁樣咧對佢成個 business 咧都有好大嘅 impact 嘅。所以保險咧唔單止咧可以俾你一個冧心嘅 claim amount， 佢更加係一個 risk 嘅一個工具嚟嘅。佢可以 make sure 啦，當呢啲咁樣嘅突發事件發生啊，佢可以 continue run 你嘅 business， 同埋可以保住你嘅 cash flow。最重要咧，同埋 make sure 啊，佢嘅 businessman 同埋嗰個 employee 有一個 peace， 一個安心。佢哋可以更加咁去 focus 啊，去更加咁樣去用佢嘅時間去 make sure 佢嘅 business 去 growth 同埋佢嘅發展咯。我哋Berjaya Sompo咧今日咧係嚟提供一個 make sure 嗰個 company 嗰個 entrepreneur 佢哋就喺呢個 business 嘅時候，咪佢哋好用心去 run 呢個 business， 但同樣時間唔希望有啲咁嘅突發事件係咪又整到佢哋嘅 business 啊 temporary shutdown 啊，咁樣對佢哋嘅嗰個 effort 啊，佢哋嘅心機啊就會掉落大海咯。所以我哋而家嘅 position就係喺呢度。